Okay, next one on the list is the heart-shaped leaf. There we go, heart-shaped leaf philodendron in the Doherty garden. This one has a history. It's a cutting from a cutting from a cutting from a cutting going back a long time ago. Actually, it was my wife's grandmother from Little Italy. She lived on the Avenue C and by First Street or something like that. For those that remember historically, she lived in a neighborhood where those two black and white cops were murdered on the beat back in the, I guess, the 70s or something like that. That's how long ago these cuttings are from. They are cuttings from cuttings from cuttings, so they traveled well. They've been back and forth to Florida several times, and now they're permanently lodged in Florida. And you can see some of them have nice size shapes. I had some growing on a palm tree back there, but they have since been, Mother Nature was very healthy and just creating all sorts of strong winds. So rather than go back and bore you with that, I'll just show you what you're capable of growing in as a houseplant. For those in South Florida, these can be in houseplant in the house and also in a nice shady location outside your house. So it's a beautiful plant, heart-shaped leaf. That is probably the largest one that I have here. I had them much larger than that when the ones up in the ground. Basically like those areca palm trees you see on the left side there. And I had them growing. You can see the little stubs on the side of the house where they actually attached. So in a way it operates like an air plant that just attaches, just keeps on going and going and going. Nothing will stop this. But this is the house plant, a heart-shaped leaf philodendron. That one. The other two was the pothos. I have two different variations of pothos, but I'm not liking the answers I get on the internet because they both show both pictures. They both call them golden pothos, but for now we're dealing with the philodendron. It was a little confusing at first because I always thought those things were philodendrons, but those are pothos. These are philodendrons, and this is the heart-shaped leaf. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Any questions, any hints? Please spread the word. Thank you. Bye-bye.